Okay, running pretty good. Let's try out the line that I worked on. A little slow. Try to hit from the left jump to the right rollers, and then try to mani over the right rollers.
Ain't nobody smooth like me. I don't flash C notes, that's too high key. Keep it all down low, that's who I be. Levitating on the...
Ooh, it's actually not bad. Maybe it's time to see how the big line is running.
Alright, the good guy didn't know that he can move, huh? Been in my shell, popped out like Cooper. And she look good, body rocking like Medusa. Calm like a Buddha, still popping off like bazooka.
A little sketchy.
Smooth like butter in the pan. Love it when she dance. Got me all stuck inside a trance. Hoping she don't have some other plans. Said you got a man?
Yeah.
Damn.
I'm starting to actually throw them a little bit. Like on the second jump. Trying to get whips down. I want to try a one-hander on step up though. I don't know if I'm ready for that though. There we go. A one-hander. I want to try this right line over here. I don't know if the GoPro's angled enough to see that, but okay.
Smooth like ice, and that's a fact. Michael Jackson, nice with it. I'm moonwalking. She got hoops with the ice, and that's a back chick. The matching jacket with it, you want 10.
I'm gonna ignore how sketchy that was and say that I hit it, so.
Yeah, so smooth when you walked in. Slow-mo hair flip, caught my eye from the jump. Got high socks and the blades don't quit. Good guy, girl, go ahead and fly on what you got. I know that you gotta leave, but I got just what you need. So please tell me what you want. Said that she was tired of the rap, so I came back. New style, hit him with the bunk.
Holy sh! Oh my god, I OJ'd that so badly.
Hit him with the bunk, Well, 5'7", so you know I got a layup. I ain't even tripping, looking calm as a day up. Feeling real tall at the top, I'm way up. If you want a spot, better pay up. Slick rhymes, I'ma keep it groovy. We could do it quick time, maybe shoot a movie. I don't ever switch sides, I be where the crew be. Matching jacket with it, you want 10, yeah. So smooth when you walked in, slow-mo hair flip, caught my eye from the jump.